everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much guys for coming back. My name is Cynthia. In today's video I'm going to be showing us how to make this organza off-shoulder blouse. I'll be making use of 2.5 yards of organza fabric. Let's get started. It's just a very quick one. It's very easy to make. So we'll be cutting out 2 steps of ruffles. Now the first one is 18 inches because it's an off-shoulder, minus 4 inches from 18 inches. So 18 minus 4 is 14 inches. I'll be adding 2 inches for the elastic case or elastic space and the hemming allowance. I'll use 1.5 inches for the elastic case and use 1/2 inch for the hemming. So we'll go ahead and then cut out the first one. This is 16 inches by length. So I'll be cutting it out. The first step is 16 inches. Then I'll make the second step 9 inches plus sewing allowance. So this is 16 inches. I will cut this out. So I will measure the round shoulder and times it by 3 or by 4. It depends on how full you want it to be. So for this I will times it by 4. The round shoulder measurement I'm working with is 47 inches. I will times it by 4. 47 times 4 is 188. So you can as well multiply it by 3 or by 4, but I will try by 4. If it's too full, I can reduce it. So I have a 188 inches. The first step, the length is 16 inches. The second one is 9 inches. And the weight is times 4 or times 3 of the round shoulder measurement. So we have 16 inches here. Lost sewing allowance. I'll go ahead and cut it out. I will cut out about 3 or 4 of these. I'll be joining it together. You can also fold it like this. So I'll make a multiple fold and then measure it. Just fold it. This is okay. I'll measure 9 inches again. I'll make sure I cut up to 188 inches. This is 16 inches length and this is 9 inches. So what we are going to do is to join them together. I will use 1/4 inch to join them together. I will join this side also and hem the bottom. I will hem it with 1/2 inch. Fold the 1/4 inch twice. So guys, I'm done joining them together. I've also hemmed the bottom. So I have a 188 inches here. That's the width. So what we are going to do is to join both of them together. So I'll go ahead and open it up and join them together. This is the right side. The right side is facing up. I also place this on top. The small one will be on top. I will place it like so. Wrong side of this is facing right side of this. So I will join them together. So I'll use 1/4 inch to sew this upper part. After I finish joining them together, I will stitch both sides together. Like so. By the side here. So guys, I've finished joining them together. See how wide it is. So I also hem the upper part with a 1/4 inch so that it will be easy for me to fold. So what we are going to do is to create a case for the elastic. I've already folded a 1/4 inch inside. I will fold 1 inch and a 1/4. Remember 2 inches is our sewing allowance. I use 1/2 inch to hem the bottom, and I'll use 1.5 inches for the upper part. Just fold it like so. I will sew it round with a 1/4 inch. That's the shoulder part. And I will leave about 1 inch open, and that is where my elastic will pass through. Make sure the space or the case you're creating is wide enough to accommodate your elastic. So guys, I finished creating the elastic case. So I left about 1.5 inches open here. I will stitch it back after inserting the elastic. So we'll go ahead and then insert the elastic. So I use half of her round shoulder measurement to cut out the elastic, which is 33.5 inches. I added about 1 inch to it to stitch it together. I want it to sit properly on her shoulder. So what we are going to do is to insert the elastic inside the elastic case. I will use my safety pin to insert it. I'll start from here and then make sure this other side is secured. So I will pass it through the other side. I will knot it. It's either you stitch it together with the zigzag stitch, or you will knot it and tight it very well. Tight it like so. I'll cut out the excess. So this will sit very firm on her shoulder. I will stitch up the 1.5 inches space here. If you want it fuller than this, you can times it by 5. This is exactly how she wants it. You don't need to add sleeve to it, you just have to sit on the round shoulder. Very easy to make. This is for a client, I won't be putting it on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.